Hello, this is California family law attorney and mediator Bryan Ginter. In this video, we will be discussing some of the differences between a legal separation and a divorce. Many people come to me wanting to separate from their spouse, but they're not sure if they should get a legal separation or a divorce. So let's first of all start off with a legal separation and what it is, what the differences are between a legal separation and a divorce. So with a legal separation, your marital status still remains the same. You are still married to the other person under the eyes of the law. Now, for tax purposes, you must still file separately. You can't file jointly when you are legally separated. Now, with a legal separation or a divorce, and by the way, of course, it goes without saying, with a divorce, your marital status is terminated, unlike a legal separation where your marital status remains the same. Now, when it comes down to what is done in a divorce and a legal separation, everything that you normally do in a divorce is also done in a legal separation. So, for example, if you have kids, you still work out a custody designation, you still work out a parenting plan, you still work out child support, you still work out spousal support, you still divide community property and assign separate property. So with all of those things being done under both legal actions, why would somebody want a legal separation versus a divorce? So while there may be many reasons for this, I will mention three of the most common reasons that I see. So the first has to do with religious purposes. Certain religions, a divorce is not good. And so people want to remain married so they don't have any negative repercussions with their religion. Another reason is regarding health insurance. Some carriers will allow the other spouse to be carried, the non-employee spouse to be carried on the employee spouse's insurance as long as they still remain married. Now, you want to definitely check with the carrier that's involved in your case to ensure that that carrier does not have a legal separation as what is called a triggering event. And so it's not guaranteed that health insurance can remain, so you want to check with the carrier to see if that will be an issue under a legal separation. And the final reason that I see is just because the spouses want to have that connection. They don't want to completely sever that connection. So those are the reasons that I see typically as far as why people get a legal separation versus a divorce. And I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you and have a great day.